In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 75 GB of data from Glo that you can use to browse the internet. And this is coming directly from Glo, so you don't need to download any third-party app. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to know the step-by-step on how I can be able to go about this and get 75 GB of data directly from Glo. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive into the video. So to get your 75 GB of data from Glo, the first thing for you to do is for you to download the Glo app. So go to your Google Play Store, then you on the search bar type GloCAF Nigeria. So once you have searched for it, then the next thing is for you to download and install it on your phone. So I've already installed it on my phone, so I'm going to click on open. Then I will click on new user because I want to register as a new user before I can be able to get access to this. Then click on next. Then you enter your Glo phone number. So type in your Glo phone number. Then once you have done that, then click on agreed. Then you click on request OTP. So just hold on for some time. They're going to send an OTP to your phone number that you use to verify your number. Then you enter the OTP that they sent to you. After you enter, then it will take you to this interface. So the next thing is for you to create a 6-digit PIN. So click and verify. Then once you do that, you submit the number. Then once you have been able to verify the PIN, it will log you direct to into the app. So here you can be able to see your name, your phone number, your data balance. So the next thing is for you to get your 75 MB. So for you to be able to do that, once you are been able to log in direct successfully, so the next thing is for you just go to your number, go and check your message, go and check the message they sent to your number. So if I go to my message now, you see that congratulations, you have earned 75 GB bonus data valid till 12 AM. So let me click on it to open it. So this is how to get your 75 GB of data from Glo. I can start using it. So there you have it. This is how you can be able to get your 75 GB of data free from Glo. If you try this method and it work for you, let me know in the comment section. If you tried it and you have any challenge, you can also drop it on the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notifications. If you want to get access to other videos to get it at the very cheap price from other networks like MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I'll see you in my next video.